fielder placed at point. That's 4. Didn't time that well, but definitely would be pleased with the result. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. Field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. Batsman can't find the gap, it's straight to the fielder.
The rain is getting heavier now, not far from the time where the umpires will sit together and have a chat about this.
Nudges it for a single. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
The umpires have finally come together to decide whether the play should go on in these sort of conditions. And there, off go the bails, and we have a rain interruption. And the players are walking back to the dressing room, and we're going to have a few overs deducted for sure. As you can see behind me, the Super Soppers are working really hard. It's barely raining anymore, and the match has been curtailed, but